सर, इन क्रिमिनल्स को जेल के 10 फीट के सेल के अंदर होना चाहिए या फिर धरती के नीचे 6 फीट गड्ढे में। बिहेवियरल करेक्शन नहीं हुआ हो तो उस क्रिमिनल को बाहर खुला नहीं घूमना चाहिए। ऐसा सोचने के लिए पर्सनल इफेक्ट होने की जरूरत नहीं, पुलिस वाला होना काफी है।
Yo, movie lovers, hold up, because we are about to lose our minds. Over the electrifying trailer for Hit 3, Nani is stepping into the shoes of God. We are talking wide, intense, heart-pounding madness. It's bold, it is bonkers, and it got me hyped to the moon. Staring the one and only natural star Nani, we are talking about the insane trailer again, but this time let's zoom in the Nani's acting techniques that make this crime thriller a total game changer. Buckle up, this is gonna be a wide ride. So Hit 3 is serving up a crime thriller vibes that will leave you speechless, but it is Nani who is stealing the show with his jaw-dropping performance. The trailer screams intensity and Nani's acting. Oh my god, it is like he is ripping the scream apart. Here is a lowdown. This movie is not your typical cop drama. It is beast of its own, and Nani's craft is what makes it roar. You have seen thriller before, but Nani's approach, it's like he is reinventing the genre, and I am losing it. Now let's talk about Nani as this cop Arjun Sarkar. To be exact, he's not just wearing a badge. He's living this role with a crazy edge. Fans on social media raving about how his eyes do the talking. Seriously, one glance and you're hooked. He's angry, he's intense, but there is a no over the top drama. It is raw, it is real, and it is giving me a chills. Now I talk about what is wilder. Nani's got this trick where he switches vibes in a snap. On camera he is Arjun, all fire and shouts, but off camera he is chill Nani again, cracking jokes like it is no big deal. That is his magic, total control. He is mixing emotions like a pro, showing rage without tears, pain through just a look. Jersey, where he broke our heart as a struggling cricketer, to Shyam Singh Roy, where he was a poet with soul. So this trailer got us freaking out because Nani's acting is a masterclass. He's not just playing a role, he's tearing it apart and rebuilding it into something iconic. This crime thriller's gonna hit different, and Nani is the reason why I'm calling it now. Hit 3 is gonna be a banger and Nani's performance legendary. What do you think of Nani's wired energy in this trailer? Drop your thoughts below and smash the like button. Let's send the Hit 3 hype into orbit. Who is ready to lose their minds over this? Let's go absolutely nuts.